Then let's give him what he wants. Make him think he was right. We will be the bank robbers. We'll lead him out of Texas, away from Gloria, and all the while making our way to New York City.
Bank robbers were a big deal in the 1920s, and we'd certainly grab his attention.
Yeah, and all we have to do is rob some banks. I mean, yes, please.
Can I just have a word with you for a minute? You want to go on a crime spree? I mean, I don't even like the idea of leaving this house, but since we have to, listen to me, we need to make very small footprints. And remember, we don't even have our equipment. What if somebody...
Babe, look, you're right. And I'm scared too. But I believe in us, and I believe in our team. We're more than time travel and superpowers and gadgets and manuals. We are the legends, and we can pull this off. I know we can. And as soon as we can time travel again, we will go and fix all the changes that we made. You can make a list of timeline IOUs. You love lists. And then we will cross them off, every single one.
Every single one.
Every single one.
Fine. All right, crime spree it is, but just until we can time travel again.
I'd like to stay here with my mom for a bit. Astro should stay too until she's fully recovered.
Okay, we'll just pick you guys up after we help invent time travel.
Guys, Hoover's back.
Y'all are gonna get my mom arrested.
Gloria? Do you have any rope?
Gloria Cruz, you've been withholding information.
It's the Midland gang. They just left. They forced us to cooperate. They said they were going to kill us. Come on, babe, let's go! Hurry, Sarah! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Come on, Nate! Come on, get out!
Should have peed before we left Gloria's.
Sorry. Hit the floor, boys. This is a robbery.
Not a first.